I prepared this stew without a single tomatoes in it. Yes, you heard me right. No single tomatoes at all, not even one. And it came out so yummy, so delicious. You won't even know that there is no tomatoes in it. Hi besties, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the very first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video. Leave a sweet comment for me in the comment section. And to you, all my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, if you want to know how I made this stew, then relax and let me take you to the process of making this delicious stew. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay. So to make this delicious stew, guys, I'm using chicken here. You can use any protein of your choice. I have my chicken here, and in here I have my red bell pepper known as tatashe. I've already deseeded it. I've removed the seeds. I have my cayenne pepper. I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my onions, my ginger and my garlic. I've already washed all this. I have my carrots. Yes, you'll be needing carrots for this recipe. I have my seasoning cube and my salt, and also I have my oil. You'll be seeing as we go on. To begin with, we are going to start by cooking our chicken, and I've already added my chicken in the pot. My chicken is frozen, but don't worry, it's going to defrost. Okay, so I'll be seasoning it now with some curry powder, oregano. You can use thyme if you have thyme, my seasoning cube, I'll be going in with my all-purpose seasoning. I'll be going in with my blended pepper mix. In here I have my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic and onion. I'll be adding some diced onion into it. Okay, just feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. So guys, this thing is frozen, it won't be able to stir. I'll just cover it, allow to cook. Okay, so when it has frozen, I cannot stir it very well. I'm going to be stirring the chicken now. I added just a little water to the chicken. Okay, I will stir this and I will cover the pot and allow the chicken to cook until the chicken is well cooked. Then I will go ahead to start blending my carrots and my pepper. Please make sure that you remove the seed from your tatashe and your cayenne pepper. If not, you're going to end up with a very bitter stew, and we don't want that in our stew. Okay. So guys, our meat is cooked now. I won't be frying my chicken, but if you want, you can fry your chicken. It's up to you. Okay, I don't want to fry my chicken. I'll just go ahead to start making my stew. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to fry it, you can fry it, or you can air fry it. anyone. If you want to deep fry or air fry, it's up to you. So now to start making our stew, I'll just go in with my vegetable oil. I'll allow this oil to heat up before going in with my next ingredient. Once this oil is hot enough, I will go in with my diced onion. I'm going to stir this, allow to fry for about a minute or two without going in with the next ingredient. I will go in with my carrot mix. This is a mixture of pepper, carrots, tatashi, cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. I'm going to add everything because in this kitchen there is no waste at all. Okay, so I will stir this now, cover the pot and allow it to cook for some minutes. Guys, if you are watching me up to this point and you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscription is free, there is no hidden charges, and do not forget to like and comment on this video. I'm going to cover it now and allow to cook. It's time to check on our stew now. Look how beautiful this stew is looking like. Nobody will know there is no single tomatoes in here. Look how yummy and delicious it's already looking like. So right now I'll be going in with my seasoning. I'll be adding my seasoning. This is a mixture of curry powder, seasoning cubes and my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to stir this until everything is well combined. I'll be adding in my chicken now. I'll be going in with my chicken stock. I'm going to stir this very well, okay? I'll be going in with just a little water to loosen up the stew a bit because it's thick. I don't like my stew thick. But if you love thick stews, then by all means just leave it like that, okay? But I don't like it thick, so I'll just go in with a little water. I will stir this, cover the pot and allow to cook for extra 5 minutes. If you are still watching up to now and you have not hit that subscribe button, I don't know why. Please subscribe to this channel, okay? And click on that bell, guys. Click on that bell and don't forget to like this video. Help like this video. If you watch my videos and you find them interesting, please always like the video because it helps the video a lot. So now guys, we are going to check on the stew. Our stew is done. Look how yummy this stew is looking like. Nobody will ever believe there is no tomatoes here. And I know you'll be wondering, but carrot is sweet, would this too be so sweet like carrots? No, no, no. I'm going to leave that to your own imagination. I'll just allow you to try that and then come back with your feedback. Okay, so guys, let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching this video and would you like to try out this recipe. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. All right guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel to like come here one next time guys. Bye.